Avoid sugary drinks. A guide to healthier choices. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a simple yet impactful phrase that we often hear concerning our health and diet. Avoid sugary drinks. Understanding this advice is crucial not just for English language learners but for anyone looking to make healthier choices. So, let's break down what this phrase means and why it's important for our health. The phrase, avoid sugary drinks, is straightforward yet packed with significance. To avoid means to keep away from or to steer clear of something. Sugary drinks refer to beverages that are high in sugar content. These can include sodas, fruit juices that are not 100% fruit juice, sports drinks, and energy drinks, among others. The advice to avoid these drinks suggests that we should not consume them or should limit our intake significantly. You might wonder, why is there so much emphasis on avoiding these tasty beverages? The answer lies in the health implications. Sugary drinks are high in calories but low in nutritional value. Regular consumption can lead to weight gain, obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other health issues. Moreover, the sugar in these drinks can lead to tooth decay and cavities. By understanding these risks, the phrase, avoid sugary drinks, becomes a vital piece of advice for maintaining good health. So, what should you drink instead? Fortunately, there are plenty of healthier options. Water is the best choice for staying hydrated without added sugars or calories. Unsweetened tea and black coffee are great alternatives for those who need a caffeine boost without the sugar. For flavor without the sugar, consider adding a slice of lemon, lime, or cucumber to your water. These simple changes can make a big difference in your overall health. Knowing to avoid sugary drinks is one thing, but implementing this advice is another. Start by reading labels carefully to understand what's in your beverages. Try to gradually reduce your intake of sugary drinks if you're used to having them regularly. And, most importantly, plan ahead. Bring a water bottle with you when you're out to avoid the temptation of buying sugary drinks. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, avoid sugary drinks, and why it's such important advice for both English learners and anyone interested in a healthier lifestyle. Making small changes to your diet can lead to significant health benefits over time. Remember, it's all about making informed choices. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.